plan is to work our way north further into the tropics, and next stop proves that everything in Queensland is bigger and better. Here we are in Lucinda, home to around 500 people.
The heartbeat of this town is two industries, fishing and sugar.
And right here behind us is the start of the longest jetty in the Southern Hemisphere.
Stretches over 4.5 kilometres into the sea.
That's big.
It's real big.
It's used to haul sugar out to the waiting water transport and is the world's largest sugar hauling facility. So, not only bigger, but sweeter as well.
Lucinda is also home to Wanderers Holiday Village. Can the position of this park get any better? You've got the mountains in the backdrop, the ocean and palm trees everywhere.
This has got something for everyone. Whether you want to catch fish, whether you want to eat fish, whether you just want to lounge around, the kids can play. I really like it. And the sites are big. You can fit your van and you can fit your boats, which happen to be everywhere.
It's very relaxing, isn't it?
I'm in no rush to leave.
Majority of our clients come here for the fishing. You've got Hinchinbrook Channel right on our doorstep, Hinchinbrook Island. You've got the islands and the reefs so close, so yeah, majority is fishing.
In the best sense, you could say that the park almost is like simplicity at its best, isn't it? And what life really is about when you're travelling.
Yep, back to basics, back to basics.
Relax, take it easy, that's what they're here for.
Everything about this place is relaxing, from the moment you check in to the time when you reluctantly leave. So why not check it out?
To find out more about holidaying throughout Queensland, start by logging on to caravanqld.com.au.